Hello world, here Jacob Stravinsky, and I'm back with you. That's the second live trading session for me. So that's another situation when we can really predict the situation on market, and that there will be some impulse on the currency price just in a couple of seconds. And again, you will see that with your own eyes. Just need to be patient and just need to be right on time. And so we have 10 seconds after the event, so after the predicted time, and let's see, we need to be sure that it will be some hard and nice move up or down, and this is what we are waiting for to set our trade. And here we go. So here is the uptrend starting, and so this is what we had to follow with this particular moment. And you can see so that definitely exactly in 20 seconds after the predicted time we had this kind of a move, and this is what we were waiting for. So you can see, so it was a slight move, and now it's getting harder and harder, and you can see that the trade is opened just on below of your screen. You can see that the trade is opened, and in a couple of seconds we will get, oh, it's pretty near. Yeah, however, we need really to be sure that the strategy is working, and definitely this is not kind of a miracle. This is an exact strategy, and you can be 100% sure that really it works. So you can see with your own eyes that we got the profit, and we don't really need to continue trading with this particular situation. So that was the second per day, and this is how it should be traded. Yes, so we were starting right in here, so waiting for the move, and we got the move. And it was pretty realistic and pretty hard to see, just to manage to see with your own eyes and to open the trade right during the move. So as you can see, so the moves after are not really predictable, and definitely it was worth doing to open just one trade. I opened a trade for 2,000 euros, and that's a little bit more than $2,500, and it's enough for me to get the profit from the one trade, and to be satisfied and to be blessed with this profit from even one trade. But it was a perfect trade on a perfect moment, and at the perfect time. So thank you so much for your attention. If you have any questions about the strategy or trading, please give me the message. The links for my Facebook and Instagram are below. I will be happy to answer any of your questions, and let's continue trading. Have a great day, have a great evening, and it was me, Jacob Stravinsky, with you. Thank you so much for your attention. Subscribe.